Hi again, everyone. It is Thursday morning, October 6th, 2022. Let's start off with the Astro Excel. This has been tracking pretty good this week. See, we bottomed out here on Sunday night. We had a kind of an upward to a flat, and we've had this uptrend to here on the green line. The market tracked that pretty well. We had the one corrective move in between, and now we've rolled over. You can see that a market can be a few hours behind or a few hours ahead of times. So we've been in this down move since the session open last night at 1800 on the green line. Market actually started to roll over here at about 2 a.m. And what we've got going here, we've got a little bit of a rebound right in here, and then we start to push back down for the afternoon. Now I've got a blue vertical line here. This blue line is coming in at 10 o'clock this morning because we've got unanimous downward pressure on the Vedic chart. So let me bring that one in. Here's the Vedic chart. We've got the bright green A3 wide window here. We made a new high in that frame. We've got the highest high back over here yesterday, and then we made a low in the white timing window there on the A2. We do not have any windows this afternoon or evening, but we do have is a trend change here about 10 a.m. where I put the blue line on the Astro Excel chart. You can see everything goes red here. A2, A3, B1, B2. This is very bearish as we have everything going red here. The A2 goes red to neutral, but we should have downward pressure at least until we hit 423 today. So from during the day session from about 10 o'clock all the way till the 4 to 4:30 area, we should have significant downward pressure. So we've got that pressure on the Astro Excel and on the Vedic trend chart.